Welcome back friends, and in Instagram if you want to hide last seen status, then what you have to do I'm going to cover in this video. Earlier from where it can be done, it is not possible in updated version of Instagram. So please watch the video till the end, and if you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So just going to Instagram, and here you have to tap this bottom right corner, and from here you will see this three lines. Just tap it here, and now earlier it was here only activity status, now it is not there. So just tap on the setting and privacy, and in setting and privacy you will find, go below message and story replies. This is the place where you will find. Now tap it here, and now show activity status, it has been hidden here. So just tap on here, you will see two things. I'm tapping both on. First is show activity status, and the second is show when you are active together. Means this will allow the accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you both are active in the same chat. And this show activity status, this will allow the accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps. But be careful, if you are turning it off, then you will not able to see the activity status of others accounts also. So turn it off now. The last seen status will not be shown in your Instagram account. This is what I wanted to tell you in this video. That's all. Thank you very much.